Onduline Lightweight Roofing Systems. Welcome to Onduline Double Roofing Instructional Video using Onduline Corrugated Sheet. Have you heard about double roofing? Now you do! This video will give you a step-by-step on how the system works. Double roofing is an innovative concept that addresses the issue of changing your whole roof. With this system, you don't need to dismantle your old roof. But how this double roofing works? You will need the following tools: saw, electric screwdriver, measuring tape, a pen, cutter, rivet. Safety essential in the workplace. A complete safety uniform is usually recommended. Materials: hat-type battens, tech screw, Onduband, Onduline speedy screw, Onduline corrugated sheet. Secure checklist on different areas such as roof rust level, structure, purlin type, termite penetration. How bad is the leaking? Before getting started, check the structure and evaluate the condition of the roof. Trusses and existing purlin. Onduline products are recommended either full deck or discontinued structure with a roof slope of at least 15 degrees. Measure the slope. Inspect the existing purlin spacing. If the roof is 5 to 10 degrees, 24 centimeters purlin spacing. If the roof is 10 degrees above, 45 centimeters purlin spacing. Install main support battens vertical to existing purlins using tech screw 2.5 size. Depends on actual existing GI profile. Use ordinary screw or verify if wood or steel frame. For horizontal battens, if the roof is 5 to 10 degrees, 24 centimeter purlin spacing. If the roof is 10 degrees above, 45 centimeter purlin spacing. Use a rivet gun to attach the horizontal battens. Follow Onduline installation spacing. Use a rivet gun to attach the horizontal battens. Start fixing Onduline sheet. Use string line or measuring tape as a guide at a distance of 7 centimeters maximum overhang. Customers may opt to install rubber fillers. Start installing first sheet using Onduline speedy screw. 5 to 10 degrees or a 24 centimeter purlin spacing. 20 pieces screw of an 8x4x4x4. Side overlap, 2 corrugations. Top overlap, 32 centimeter sheets. First and second purlin spacing should be 20 centimeters. 10 degrees up, 45 centimeter purlin spacing. 14 pieces of screws of a 5x3x3x3. Side overlap, 1 corrugations. Top overlap, 20 centimeters. Screw alternate corrugations in the next batten. Fix sheets at the opposite ends of the roof from prevailing winds. Check side overlapping. 5 to 10 degrees or a 24 centimeter purlin spacing. 20 pieces screws of an 8x4x4x4. Side overlap, 2 corrugations. 10 degrees up to 45 centimeter purlin spacing. 14 pieces of screws of a 5x3x3x3. Side overlap and a 1 corrugation. Start fixing second row with top overlapping off. 5 to 10 degrees, 24 centimeter purlin spacing, 20 pieces screws of an 8x4x4x4, top overlap, 32 cm sheets, 10 degrees up or a 45 cm purlin spacing, 14 pieces screws of a 5x3x3x3, top overlap, 20 centimeters. Install the verge. Attach Ondu band before installing the ridge. Install the ridge. Minimum ridge overlap, 22 centimeters or 220 millimeters. Check for any imperfections. That's how you easily install Onduline corrugated sheets using our double roofing system. For cost-efficient, time-saving, unique, rust-proof, and wind resistance benefit, double roofing is the solution expert.